Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch 4K on Disney Plus. Now first you need to get the subscription. If you have the subscription, just go ahead and log into your account. But here's the catch, you need to log in on a 4K device. So the issue a lot of people are having, they're trying to stream this on their computer browser in 4K. That does not actually work, okay? And you need to go ahead and use a device. For example, your smart TV that actually supports 4K, UHD, and HDR, right? And then you can go ahead and just run Disney Plus on the device. It will automatically go ahead and use 4K streaming. 4K streaming is not available on the computer browsers. So that is one downfall with them. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. If you appreciate the honesty, make sure you subscribe to App Mentor.